Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very simple recipe, bean and potato fry. I'll collect this bean and potato from my kitchen garden. This is my bean plants which I grew in the bag. In the same bag there are two different types of beans. The plant is full of flowers and the beans. It looks so fresh. So let me harvest some beans from the plant to cook today. Today I am going to prepare very simple and easy, very basic recipe. And at the same time it's yummy too. It's very tasty as well. Let me measure how much did I collect today from my kitchen garden. Not bad, it's more than 800 gram. Good shopping. Now I need potatoes, so let me go to the garden and collect some potatoes. I have not harvested yet, so today is the first time I am harvesting few potatoes from the garden. Good collection. Now last thing for this recipe, I need some green chilli. I'll cut these beans in small pieces like this. In a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. As the potatoes are very fresh collected from the garden, I didn't peel the skin. I kept the skin and cut in small cubed pieces. Once the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji, and I'll add 2 to 3 green chillies and 1 medium-sized sliced onion. Fry for a minute in medium heat till the onion changes the color. Once onion starts changing the color, first I'll add potatoes. As potatoes will take little bit longer time to cook than the beans. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything nicely and fry it for a minute. Then I'll cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium heat. After 3 minutes, please remove the lid. Mix it. Now I'll add those chopped beans. Now I'll give it a good mix with beans and potatoes together, and again I'll cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes in medium heat. Remove the lid after 7 to 8 minutes and mix everything together. Now potatoes and beans are almost cooked, 60-70% cooked now. This time I am not going to cover and cook anymore. Without lid, now low to medium heat, I'll fry it for another 7 to 8 minutes till all the vegetables becomes soft. It takes a bit longer time, but if I cover and cook, it will become very soggy vegetable. All the vegetables are cooked nicely, became soft now. So my aloo and bean fry is ready. You can eat it with rice or roti. Thanks for watching. That's all from me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.